Guys, welcome to MrYouWho, and I'm really excited today to bring to you a review and unboxing of the Sensyne 88-inch tripod. I'm going to be using this for my iPhone, which I bought to actually start using for filming. I've also got my Sony ZV-1, which I've done a review about previously. But what I'll do is one of MrYouWho's untapped. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this up now in front of you, set it up, give you my initial opinions, my thoughts as well, so you guys can see exactly what it's like. And it's part of a new range of videos I'm doing that gives you the products, guys, and gives you a real opinion out straight up. So let's start now. And again, if you want any more reviews like this or you love our videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and also let us know what you think of it. Let's go and jump into it right now. And if you want to buy these as well, there's links in Amazon below. This only cost me around 50 Australian dollars, which I think is really, really cheap. A lot of good reviews on Amazon. So let's take a look and open it up. So it's quite a small little box. Now, to start with, we take it out. So there's the, sort of just fell out. There's the tripod to start with in the bag. So just there. So take the bag off. So you've got the tripod there. We'll jump back in, look at that again shortly. You've also got the Sensyne instruction booklet, literally just 3 pages. You've got the wireless remote, which you can use to actually start the camera off and on, which is very handy. So you don't have to keep on pressing it. We've got the phone mount here, which is what you use to mount the phone onto the tripod. And we've got the basically phone holder too. Now, I had real trouble getting phone holders that could fit my iPhone. So I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And let's see if it fits. So let's grab the phone holder there, put it across. Look at that, it fits perfectly. So it's the iPhone Pro 15 Max, and it's got room there as well. And that's with the case as well. So there you go. And is it stable? I mean, it's not going anywhere. So it's really, really good, isn't it? So we'll put that down now. Is there anything else in the box? No, that's pretty much it. So to start with, let's look at the tripod. So one thing you can do with this looking straight up is you can actually use this if you want to take selfies. So not all tripods do this. So you grab the stick, okay, so as easy as just literally putting the phone onto the holder here. So you screw it in just there like that. Might be easier actually if I move the phone and screw it in. So screw it like this, guys. That's simple. Been a coordinator, MrYouWho, today, isn't he? It's unusual. Like that. You get your phone and you put it in here like this. And now you've got a selfie stick you can use to take photos of yourself like this, which I think is really, really good. It's very hard to take it, and you can also go like that. Sorry, I'm showing you guys. Go like that and go like that. You can take some nice pictures of MrYouWho, which I think is fantastic as well. So put that away. It's also got the top of it too. So let's have a look at how the stand opens up. So again, you've got to undo it here, and the stand opens like that. And then you've got the expandable part here. As you can see, it expands right out as well. So what I might do is just switch this across and actually set the stand up and show you how it looks with the iPhone on it. Okay guys, here we are with the stand. Now as you can see, I've extended it out like this. So it goes all the way up to 88 centimeters. And it also has this part at the top, which helps it even grow too, which I think is really good. So let's go start by having a look. So I'm going to start by trying to put this end bit on it. So if we take this part off here, you put it on the top like this, and you screw it in nice and easy like that. Now, as you can see there, so I'm going to pull it back a bit. You see how that moves around? Now you can go and get the iPhone holder and put it at the bottom and put in there. Now the great thing with this already, I can feel how stable it actually is. So it's not moving around that much, which is really good. Unusual for it. A lot of these places sometimes move around. This doesn't seem to. If you put the iPhone in here, as you can see, there it is there. Now it's actually holding. Let's see how stable this is. So it's actually holding there, which is good. Didn't expect that. So you need to make sure. I think the only challenge is the actual base of this is quite low, which means it doesn't have, see the stability at the top there. To be honest, I won't be using this that much, but it does work if you want to use it. I would make sure you make the base more stable. So the arm, I don't think works necessarily too well. It's not as stable, but what does work, what I'm using it for is this, so for filming. So at the moment, I'm having to use my camera to do most of the filming, and I've had to use another ring light, but this doesn't sit very well. Now I can sit there and actually film my YouTube videos just like this as well. Really, really good. You can turn it around as well, so you can do horizontal. So we'll just do that. So again, to do horizontal, you just take this off and you put it, so you say you want to go and do in landscape mode, you put it like So you move this. So you move this like that. Tie it up. Because the thing is, we need to go and do a lot of videos in like TikTok mode as well. It's not always just in YouTube landscape mode that you do it. And then we tie this up here like this. Again, you should probably move it off when you do it, but this is how I do it. You guys know what MrYouWho like. I'm a little bit crazy sometimes. And there you've got your iPhone that you can use like this, or you can turn it around and you can film yourself like this as well. So works very, very well. Yeah, I really like it. And I think the good thing about it as well is it can be reduced as well. So going back to the base, so let's go and reduce this down here. So drop that back. So it's got 4 little parts that goes down like there. And then drop that back down here. Like that. And then undo the base. See at the base you can undo it. Like so. So you can literally just do it so it's like a, again, like a selfie stick, like we spoke about before. So it reduces down. So there. So hello everyone, I'm talking. But you can also use it for your desk. So put it flat like this. And you can actually sit it on your desk to be able to do videos as well. So the remote as well sits here as well. All you need to do is connect it via Bluetooth. You connect this to the stand just here. And then you can start using it to actually use the shutters as well by pressing a button. But all in all, guys, very good tripod. Works quite well, stable, only 50 bucks. If you've got an iPhone, you want one big that works, this is perfect for you. So I hope you liked MrYouWho Untapped. Again, I just pulled it out, started using it, showed you guys exactly how it works. Now, I will still do my longer videos where I cut things across, but I hope it gives you a taste of what the Sensyne tripod is. And if you wish to purchase, check out links below. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.